DA John Chisholm said he relied on the investigation by Milwaukee police as well as his own investigators. He said he is confident that Officer Joseph Mensah acted in self-defense when he shot and killed 17-year-old Alvin Cole at Mayfair Mall in February. As Derek mentioned, there is new video, and Chisholm said that he relied on that video, which showed a muzzle flash prior to the officer opening fire.
Any flash right up there? Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get the gun! Get the gun! Hey! Put it down! Put it down! Get down the ground! Get down the ground! Stop! Stop! Don't get in! Don't get in! You wait for the gun! No!
That is Wauwatosa Police Squad video. They say they were called to the mall that night by security who said they spotted Cole inside the mall with a gun. Police say Cole fired the first shot, was repeatedly ordered to put the gun down, and after several seconds was fatally shot by Officer Mensah. There are people outside asking you to resign today. You're probably aware of that. How do you react to the criticism over this decision and others?
This is my job. At the end of the day, I am here to make the difficult decisions based on what the facts are and what the law is. The criticism that I don't charge police officers isn't accurate, because I do charge police officers when the evidence is sufficient to do so. If the evidence demonstrates that they were acting in a lawful capacity when they used force, then it would not be appropriate to charge them. And so that's the balancing that every prosecutor has an ethical obligation to do. I can't make decisions based on what is popular. I can't make decisions based on what people want me to do. I have to make decisions based on the law and based on the facts and my ethical obligation.
Nick, besides the officers involved, police conducted a number of other witness interviews.
Right, Joyce. They talked to a friend of Alvin Cole's who also agreed with the account of what officers said at the time as well. And again, I asked the DA about the fact that Mensah had killed 2 other people and had been cleared earlier. I asked him if that weighed on his decision at all, and he said no, he has to take each case individually, but he did say that that could be an issue for the city of Wauwatosa and the police department there to take up.